So Itwar Bazaar, seemingly a place of the slums, as you can see in the background, but it has its whole culture inside, a whole story that we have to look into as we explore. Let's go.
Welcome to Itwar Bazaar, the vibrant heart of Islamabad's weekend hustle, a space where cultures collide, aspirations take place, and stories of prestige and survival unfold. Amidst second-hand treasures and branded replicas lies a unique world, a marketplace shaped by the dreams and ingenuity of its vendors and the aspirations of its shoppers. This isn't just a place for buying and selling. It is a microcosm of economic ambition and cultural identity. In this documentary, we delve into the intricate web of relationships between vendors, customers, and the logos. We'll uncover how people view branded products differently. We'll look at how vendors get their goods and convince buyers of their value. We'll see how the desire for brands, brand consciousness per se, shapes the identity and goals of shoppers, especially those from the middle and lower middle classes. Join us as we step into this vibrant world where every logo tells a story, every bargain reveals a dream, and every transaction reflects a deeper cultural narrative, uncovering the reality behind things that are invisible to an unobservant eye.
Itwar Bazaar, right? We had to know what the place is about, but you cannot find the house and whys of a place unless you actually visit it. So hence me and my team, we set out for answers and to do an ethnographic study of the place.
There exists a stereotype of brand consciousness in the society. Is it true or not? What's better than to ask the actual customers?
What do these people have to say about prestige when they look at these goods?
हमारे यहाँ पे एक वो कॉन्सेप्ट चल रहा है या कह सकते हैं हिरार्की टाइप चल रही है कि अगर मेरे दोस्त ने लिया है तो मैं क्यों ना जॉर्डन लूँ, और अब सारे के पास तो इतने पैसे नहीं होते कि भाई जाके नाइकी जॉर्डन जो ले सकें।
यार वो आपका ब्रांड शो होता है, लोगों को शो ऑफ करने के लिए होता है कि यार ये देखो एडिडास का है मेरे पास, तो इसलिए ये चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट मैटर करती है लोगों को।
तो लोग प्रेफर करते हैं कि भाई चीज़ हम नाम आना चाहिए ब्रांड का, बेशक वो कॉपी हो जहाँ से भी हमें मिले, बेशक लंडे से मिले, इतवार बाजार से मिले, वो हमें नहीं होता।
वैसे मेरा से इसको इस तरह नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपको सोसाइटी में इन करने के लिए होना चाहिए, आपको सिर्फ अपने आप को देखना चाहिए कि आप कहाँ पे स्टैंड कर रहे हो, क्योंकि जो आपके लिए बेस्ट है ना आप वही करो। ये सोसाइटी में फिट होना ये सारी बकवास है।
और ये है कि भाई अब मेरे जो दोस्त हैं ना, उनको कह सकते हैं वो एलिट क्लास के, तो उन सब के पास होती हैं जॉर्डन, तो मतलब बीच बीच में मुझे होता है कि भाई मेरे पास भी हो, तो इसलिए मैं लेता हूँ।
Okay, so now this was very interesting when you talk about brand consciousness. On one hand, there's this customer who feels that all of this is petty and it's a sham. On the other hand, there was this customer who feels the need to be included when he buys products like these. So what we're doing is we're kind of explaining what's going on. That is how we're taking this documentary. This shows the diversity of our culture in which people need the feel to be included. Now both people don't understand each other's perspective, but they both, deeply narrate our culture. This just leads to more and more questions.
What kind of people are here? Is there diversity?
इधर आते हैं जी जो कम कीमत में लेना चाहते हैं, जो कहते हैं कि जी कपड़े की क्वालिटी शक ना हो, पैसे कम होने चाहिए।
بس د خدا ډیر کوریشن دا چې دا خو میړ وزیرستان خلک دا غاښ سره خطه دا شنه سره شاینا دا په واسکټ باندې خایسته ښکاری دا څه ده
ये कहते हैं ये रंग रंग कपड़ा है हमारा, और उधर हमारा रिवाज ये है ना, ये लुंगी पहने, टोपी पहने, ये रंग बरंग कपड़ा और जैकेट जो है हम पहने, जेब वाले अच्छा वाले, ये हमारा रिवाज है उधर।
I'm from Indonesia. I just look for shoes and something like that. Most of people here is very kind and very good. Just come to Itwar Bazaar and you will find many brand of shoes, many brand of clothes.
इधर मुख्तलिफ लोग आते हैं, इस्लामाबाद का भी आते हैं, पिंडी का भी आते हैं, KPK से भी लोग आते हैं और बाहर से भी आते हैं, अफगानिस्तान, सोमालिया, चीन।
چکر مکر لګوي قسم قسم بوټي نه دي خدا کې میش بوټي نه وخولي دا نه دا مرګري روغولي دي
किस्म किस्म बूट देखते हर किस्म, बाहर वाला बूट है ना बाजार में देखना पड़ेगा, और देखा है हमने, चक्कर लगाया।
That diversity that was seen was impressive. Like, we were shocked. The perception that we had that only middle or lower middle class people come to visit the bazaar, that was busted. We saw people from all over Pakistan. We even saw foreigners, and there was this whole culture fitted in one place where we had a translator for Pathan. It just shows that it is a hidden gem to the people outside.
Why do people prefer buying branded goods from here rather than the outlet itself?
Bazaar is more cheaper than another place.
जो बाहर से सामान आता है सारा, ठीक है, और आपको जो है ना वैल्यूएबल अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस में चीज़ें मिलती हैं।
शूज़ बहुत ज़्यादा महंगे होते हैं बाहर से, ब्रांडेड जो मैं लेता हूँ ना। मेरे कुछ दोस्तों ने मुझे बताया था कि इधर जाओ इतवार बाजार में आपको बहुत अच्छे और अच्छे रेट में मिलेंगे।
چې زنه لاسي وي چې بار ملک نه روغلي وي آکا بټ شوی وي استعمال شوی وي پاکه دا فرق دی
लंडे में जो आते हैं ये बार वाला है ना, थोड़ा अच्छा वाला है, थोड़ा इस्तेमाल वाला है, और इधर जो है वो कमजोर है।
So while the need to fit in was there and the social classes as discussed before, but the main thing that we found out was that people preferred buying cheaper goods instead of paying more for a certain thing. Whoever we interviewed were of the opinion that they should spend less for more when the quality is good. That was the main thing that people came here and bought these goods. And now there was also an aspect where we wanted to compare the customers of the Itwar Bazaar and the actual brands. Unfortunately, we went to the niche stores, but we weren't allowed to record. But we did make our observations, and we found out that the people in the niche stores, they just wanted, to buy good stuff, and they were very rich. Rarely there's a person who will buy an original piece and he'll buy it once in a blue moon. That is why people like from the middle classes, lower middle classes, and even from higher middle class, they would prefer to go to the Sunday market because they can get more stuff, less price. Population of the niche stores is very less as compared to the ones that went to the Sunday market, and they had a certain bias towards the people who went there, which shows the social classes, unfortunately.
How do the vendors market their quality and how do they convince the customers to buy it?
मोहम्मद सलीम मेरा नाम है।
तकरीबन 6-7 साल से लगाता हूँ।
Itwar Bazaar is a beautiful place and everybody want to come here for original shoes, beautiful shoes and reasonable price.
हमारे पास होते हैं पोलो वाला भी होते हैं और इसके अलावा एडिडास वाला भी है। ये सारा इम्पोर्टेड माल है।
हमारे पास जो है वो मतलब आम जो शॉप पे पड़ी हुई है चीज मार्केट में, वो चीज हमारे पास है।
बिल्कुल अच्छे वाला क्वालिटी है भाईजान। बस हमको पता है हम जो चीज लाते हैं वो बंदा देख लेगा, उसको खुद पसंद आएगा।
उनका लाख रुपए 1.5 लाख रुपए किराए का और दूसरा खर्चा आ जाता है, वो महंगा देते हैं, हम उसके मुकाबले में सस्ता देते हैं।
हम उस तरह के रेट नहीं बताते क्योंकि हम चीज को देखते हैं और रेट बता दे, क्योंकि ग्राहक फिर खुद चीज समझते हैं।
ओरिजिनल है नहीं पाकिस्तान में, आपको सेम कुछ बात करो, सिर्फ ये डिजाइन पड़ा होता है सेंटोरस में, सिर्फ डिजाइन यही होते हैं, वो भी काफी इस चीज का काफी सेंटोरस में पड़ा होगा 40-45 हज़ार। इधर एक चीज 4,000-5,000 का मिलता है, तो पता ही चलता आगे कितना महंगाई है।
Okay, this whole documentary was a surprise to us because we found out so much and we got to learn a lot. The vendors in question, some of them even spoke fluent English. They were very educated. They knew what the people want, and they said that people from all over come to buy their goods. They were also of the opinion that why should people spend more when they can get good quality stuff. They knew all about the brands. They didn't tell us exactly where they get them from, but they told us that they were imported. People buy imported stuff, and they knew how to sell the logos, they knew how to bargain, and they knew how to please their customer. Now this brings us to the end of this ethnographic study. We got to learn why people go to the bazaar. We got to learn the experiences of the customers, the side of the vendors, and all in all, we got to learn about the story of the culture that specific place holds. We were surprised. We got answers to all of our questions. People from all around Pakistan, in fact the world, come to Itwar Bazaar. Just shows how diverse of a place it is, and it's a must visit. That was it from me and my team. I hope you got to learn something from this documentary, and whatever we showed might have left an impact.